It's an occupation that has been predominantly occupied by women.
But in recent years, more men have decided to go to school to become a nurse. ABC7's Andres Valle gives us a professional's look back on the trend of more male nurses.
Regardless of gender, regardless of who we are, we're just here to help and give back to our community and be a part of that driving force.
Meet Aiden Landa, a student at Gail Grieve Hunt School of Nursing, located at the Texas Tech University Health Science Center here in El Paso. In a female-dominated profession, he chooses to focus on the practice rather than any perceived stigma.
I would want to interact with patients and be able to talk to my patients and be there for them.
According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, 12% of registered nurses are now men. That's up from 2.7% of all registered male nurses in 1970.
The approach at the gym with these big, strong men asking me, I want to go to nursing school, I'm taking a back.
Manny Santa Cruz is one of the assistant deans at Gail Grieve Hunt School of Nursing. He claims that the reason he's seen more men choose to go into the profession is because it offers endless growth potential.
So we're always looking for something to, okay, what do I need to do that's consistent, that pays relatively well, and that has momentum and diversity.
But there are challenges men face mentally.
Men have been able to transform themselves from what they consider what men should do in general, because it now requires them to be more personable with their patient, more engaging, and show a little more caring of the side that you normally don't show with anybody else.
We circle back to Landa, who's only in the beginning of starting his career, but has very ambitious plans once he becomes a registered nurse.
And then work towards emergency response, emergency room, ICU, and then be there for about another 2 years, and then go for my nurse practitioner. And that's something that I do plan on doing.
His assistant dean leaves us with this message.
But I'm proud to say I'm a registered nurse.
Andres Valle, ABC7.